Hello everyone, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very simple and delicious chicken noodle soup. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. So I'm going to pressure cook all the ingredients for the soup, starting with add a little olive oil, about 2 teaspoons, a few cloves of garlic, 2 medium sized onions just cut up roughly, you can see, to large chunks. I've just kept the potatoes in water so that they won't turn brown. Discard the water and add the potatoes, 2 small potatoes, 2 medium sized carrots cut into big pieces, 2 sticks of celery. So I've taken about 200 grams of chicken. Take a combination of chicken with bone as well as boneless. So I've cut the boneless into small pieces. So for soup you'll definitely need a few pieces with the bone. So that's what gives you the flavor for the chicken soup. Season with salt, about 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. So it's a very basic, simple chicken soup. This is how I make it at home. So that's what I'm showing you guys here. So once the meat turns white, add water. So pour enough water to cover the ingredients. Close the pressure cooker and pressure cook on medium flame for about 4 to 5 whistles. So we have some cooked noodles here. So now I'm going to plate the soup. It's loaded with goodness. Now I'm just going to place a little bit of the noodles, cooked noodles, into the soup bowl. To finish off, add some freshly grounded pepper. So if you're under the weather and if you're having a flu or a cold, and if you want to have something hot, try this delicious chicken noodle soup. It's filling, it's wholesome, and you will definitely feel a lot better after having the soup. You can get a copy of our first edition of the Home Cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.